What's going on, guys? This is Mark here, Mercado's Vending, a Mercado channel. And today, guys, I'm super excited to be doing this video. I know some of you are excited too. I want to thank all my 13 followers, my subscribers. Thank you guys for the support as I grow my business and my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. All the feedback. I really do appreciate you guys. So thank you, seriously. For you new people, subscribe to my channel. I have tons of content coming out, from vending to my everyday life, and anything else you want to see, guys, just comment below, and we'll try to have that for you. But today, guys, today's video, I'm gonna be going out looking for locations. I'm wicked excited. I literally just got out of a Chinese restaurant, and I got a no there, which I'm gonna keep grinding, guys. Guys, one thing I want to tell you guys, never fear rejection. Never fear rejection, because I know some of you guys could get overwhelmed and down yourselves. Keep your head up, keep going, because there's thousands of businesses out there. There really is, guys. There's thousands of businesses, and someone is bound to say yes. So never fear rejection. That's a quote that I have in my head every time when I go out. Never fear rejection, guys, because it could bring you down, but don't let it bring you down. So yeah, I gotta know. I'm gonna continue here with my route. I'll keep you guys posted. And yeah, guys, I'm super excited. I'm gonna hit up some laundry mats. I'm gonna see if I can get a couple locations for some machines, man. I'm super excited. But yeah, like I said, guys, at the end of this video, just like it, comment, let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in a little bit. What's up, guys? So yeah, we're arriving to the next location that I'm going to be trying to talk to the business owner if they're available. But before I even go in, guys, I just want to tell you guys a little bit of my experience so far with the locations and stuff. And I'm also going to be telling you guys what not to do and what to do when you're approaching businesses and trying to find locations, guys. Just to keep it quick, when you're going inside, don't sit here and rant, blah, 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 blah. You just explain yourself. Most likely, if the business owner is there and he's actually working, if he's one of those, if it's a family business or whatever it is, they're not going to want to hear it. They're busy. They're an owner. They just want you to get straight to the point, make it positive, and try to really catch their attention and why they should allow you to put a machine in there. So what I usually do, I go straight in. Hi, how you doing? My name is Mark. I own a vending machine business here in Mass. And I just let them know, you know what I mean? I offer 10%. Before I even get started, I let them know it's free. You don't have to do anything. I maintain, I clean it, I fill it up with candy, and yeah, and you get a 10% commission. So you can't beat that, guys. What you don't want to do is go in there, like I said, rant and be nervous. You got to be positive. Walk in there with a good attitude. Dress nice, you know what I mean? Business attire. And, you know what I mean? Let them know what it is. Let them know what you're trying to do and how you're trying to grow your business. And then either they're going to give you an opportunity or they're not, guys. But just one thing you don't want to do is go in there nervous, scared, because you're just, you know what I mean? They can probably sense that as well. Like I said in the beginning of this video, never fear. You never want to fear when people say no to you. Never fear fucking rejection, guys. Never fear rejection. Do not be scared to lose, because in order to succeed, you have to fail, guys. Don't be afraid to fail, because you will be successful in the long run, guys. I'll see you in a little bit. So, guys, we arrived here at this little auto shop, and looks like they're closed on Sundays, so I'm gonna have to come back here. It's a state inspection shop where they do cars inspections and people sit. I don't see a machine in there. I'm actually gonna check it out quick. Make it quick here for you guys. So yeah, they got some chairs in here. Here's what it looks like. And yeah, I don't know if they have room for a candy machine. Yeah, I think we can make room for one. So I'll have to come back here, check it out, and yeah, that'd be nice. Alright, guys, we reached the third location. It's a Super Saver Laundromat. I'm gonna park up here quick, and I'm going to see if there is a owner inside. So I'd be right back. So guys, I'm in here right now, and looks like they already have a machine, so we're out of here. Alright, back in the car. That was my third location. one was closed. I did the auto store that was closed. Chinese spot. I couldn't really understand them, but I definitely got to know there. There was no owner at the laundry place. That was weird. And they already had tons of machines in there. So I'm going to be going to my fourth. Guys, mark my words. I will get a location today. I will get a location today. I'm not going home until I get a location. And that's motivation. You got to grind until you get it. Let's go. All right, guys. We're here at the Chinese spot. Just went in. I asked if I could put one in. Come to find out, they got a little dining area right there with one already inside that they own themselves. That's not an actual vendor, but they have their own machines. As you can see, I'm going to continue my route, actually. Yeah, you know, I already told you I'm not going to stop until I get a location. So see you guys soon. Guys, I'm in this pizza shop right now. Super excited. Just got a location and some pizza. I told you guys I wasn't going to stop till I keep going. And here I am. Pizza shop. I'm so hyped. Got me a location. So guys, the craziest thing just happened. So I went into that pizza shop and I didn't expect the outcome to be what it was. I'm extremely excited. I went in. I asked for the owner. Luckily, the guy that was looking at me and, like, you know what I mean, he, like, introduced himself well, was already the owner. I walked in and he's like, hey, how can I help you? And I'm like, yeah, I'm looking for the owner. Can I speak to the owner? He's like, I am the owner. I'm like, nice. So my name is Mark. I have a vending machine business here in Mass. What I do is I place machines for free. I offer a commission. You don't do anything. You just, if you approve it, then I bring it in, I clean it, I maintain it. He's like, wow, nice, that's great, yeah. So long story short, the guy says yeah, and he's like, do you want something to eat? Do you want something? I'm like, I already ate, but I felt bad. I didn't say no, so he gave me a pizza. He gave me a cheese pizza. I'm gonna take that home to my wife. But guys, it's crazy because I didn't expect to get this location this soon in my route today. So I went to 4 locations and that was my 4th, and I got a yes on my 4th. I went to one, they said no, that was a Chinese place. The auto shop was closed. The laundromat, they had tons of machines in the place. There was nobody in there, no employees. And my 4th was a pizza shop. He's like, yeah, he was super excited. He's like, yeah, man, when you gonna bring that machine in? I was like, I'll bring it in as soon as possible. I want to get you a nice brand new machine in here. And he's like, that's great, man. Yeah, sounds good. Bring it in. We'll put it somewhere nice here where everyone can see it. The kids can see it. I'm like, wow. He's more excited than I am. And I'm like, shit. So, yeah, guys, long story short, just keep grinding, guys. Go out there and speak. Don't be scared to talk. Go out there and talk. No one's going to talk for you. And I learned that by going out. Like, I feel really motivational right now. I feel happy. I feel excited with myself because I'm actually going out and speaking, and I'm actually a businessman. So I do good talking. And it's a learning process for anyone. So yeah, guys, go out there, ask. Don't be afraid to talk. And guys, you will get locations. There are thousands of businesses. And guys, I told you I wasn't going to stop until I got a location. But guess what? I got this location so soon that I'm actually going to keep going. I'm going to keep going today. I think I may be able to squeeze in another location on my route. If I could, that would be 2 locations today. That's sweet, guys. I really don't spend much time doing this, but I'm going to have to if I want to grow my business. But I'm excited, guys. If I can get one more location today, that'll be great. I already got 1 yes, so I'm 1 out of 4 of the people I asked. I got 1 yes. That's come on, guys. That's 25% chance so far how I'm working here. But I'm gonna go in Walgreens quick, grab my baby boy something, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. All right, guys. This is the same day. I just changed. I'm back home. I'm all done with my route for today. I'm excited. I got that 1 location. I went to 5 locations. I got 4 no's. Well, I got 1 no. 2 places were closed. And another one, they already had one in there. Then the pizza shop, I'm bringing a machine in there very soon. So I'm going to be ordering a machine shortly. I'll keep you guys posted on that. I'm excited. I definitely will be showing you content of me bringing it. I promise. I'm not gonna front on that. I will be bringing that machine in, and I'll record me bringing it into the shop and filling it up with candy. So I'm excited about that. But thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, drop a comment down below, and don't forget to like the video, guys. Let me know what you think, and we'll be back soon. Peace.